Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to enable GPU rendering in Blender. So there is one really simple method that you must know. I'm going to share this method with you today. So first you need to do is go to the right panels tool, and here we need to go to render properties. Then we are interested in to go to render engine settings. This is the default value. I will open it, and now I select here cycles. After that you need to select here GPU compute. But like you see, it is actually great, so we need to change other settings. Okay, and now we need to go to the left upper corner and click on edit. After that you will see here a lot of really helpful and useful settings. We are interested in to go to preferences. Of course you can use this shortcut to open preferences bookmark, so I click on it. And now this window will be displayed, but we are interested in to go to system bookmark, so I click on it. And then we need to go to CUDA, so I open this bookmark. And here you need to select your graphic card. I have here NVIDIA GeForce GTX. Sometimes it may be necessary to go to optics. And if something is in the list, maybe sometimes you will need to check it. But in my situation, we need to go to CUDA. And I have selected this one, NVIDIA GeForce GTX. Okay, so now I need to close this window. And like you see on device, GPU compute is not gray now, so it is how you can enable GPU rendering in Blender. Okay, it's everything for today. If I helped you to solve your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's it. Thank you for watching my tutorials.